have our M135VL Everly Wristlet. To begin, your monogram will go here, centered with the wrist strap to the left. Slide the unzipped wristlet onto a 4.5 by 4.5 inch slimline clamp frame centering on the bag. Trace the sewing area to ensure the monogram fits inside of the frame. Hang a weighted item to reduce excess shaking and uneven stitches. And now you can begin sewing. All the items used in this video can be purchased at wholesale-boutique.com. We use Grotz-Beckert RG type needles and we think they are the best on the market. These needles reduced our thread breaks by 49% and allow us to go from sewing knit scarves to canvas bags to leather purses without ever changing needles. Robinson-Anton Super Bright Polyester is the market's leading thread. This is a top quality thread that provides a super bright shine at an outstanding value. It is an excellent running thread that is suitable for almost any application. When the sew is complete, you can remove the item from the machine, carefully tear away the excess solvay, and now you have a finished product. Click the links in the description below to view the items used in this video.